Are you seeing a no internet connection message on your CapCut even though your iPhone is online? This usually happens due to app server issues, network glitches, or outdated app versions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut internet issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search the game. Next, tap the game from here. Then scroll down. Here you see whether the game is officially down or not. Solution 2. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Update the CapCut app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type CapCut. Now find the CapCut app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.